Hello, good morning, welcome to your next car. Wasim here, bringing you a quick walk around of another stunning 420i Grand Coupe we have in. As you can see, we've got lots of BMWs in stock. We're a family run BMW specialist at the moment. We've got about 120 in, physically in stock, ready to go, exactly as described. Let's take a look around this one. This is a 2017 model, so one owner vehicle, covered just a mere 13,000 miles. It's a 420i M Sport manual with the very rare X-Drive system, so quite a rare combination, being manual and X-Drive and petrol. Fitted with some lovely factory options, and then we've made some styling enhancements, as you can see. Let's start with the factory option of the BMW LED headlights. Got the black kidney grille, 3-piece splitter, all black 405M style staggered alloys, 20-inch, brand new tyres all round, gloss black sidebars, privacy glass all round. Condition wise, absolutely flawless as you'd expect, no marks, no dents, no scratches. Rear diffuser, rear spoiler, LED rear lights, original mats, automatic tailgate, split folding rear seats as well. Let's take a look at the back. Isofix rear bench, 3 seat belts. Taking a look inside the car, we've got electric mirrors, 4x electric windows, Harman Kardon sound system, which is a must-have in my opinion. Black Dakota leather, heated seats. Taking a look inside, got the automatic headlights, rain sensors, park distance front and rear with the visual display there, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, 6-speed manual, chassis control there, widescreen navigation, connected drive which requires a subscription now, DAB radio, music collection, which means you can record a CD onto the car's hard drive, Bluetooth phone, media and audio playback, USB and auxiliary also. Let's take a look at the service history. It won't be much because it's only done 13,000 miles, but it's all been done on time, indicated with the green OK symbol there. 6 miles pre-delivery and then 8,000 miles. Next service due in 12k, which is the oil change, and then 29,000 miles for the front brakes and rear brakes in 32. Original handbooks, car's just been MOT'd, physically in stock, ready to drive away. PCP and HP available. Please log on to our website to have a look at all our stock. We have an online calculator to quote and apply. If you have any more questions or require more details, please get in touch. Thanks for watching and keep safe. Thank you.